Alright, so I got this mower here. I did mess with it a little bit, not too much. Like I seen the oil needs changed. I don't know if there's fuel in it. No fuel in it. I was told that it leaked gas. So that probably makes sense why there's no gas in it. We'll put some gas in it and just see if it'll start. I don't want to put too much in there, because if it does leak, I don't need all of it just leaking out. Nothing leaking yet. Oh, well, that's kind of annoying to hold on to. Suppose I should prime it. Had a prime bulb. Alright, let's try again. Well, it's not starting. I'll take the cover off, put some carb cleaner in there, and see if it starts off of that, and go from there. Alright, let's see what this air filter looks like. Okay, there isn't one. This is all pretty filthy, nasty. Let's pull this cover off and see what the carburetor looks like. All four of those are 5/16, just in case anyone's wondering. Now this just has the breather hose holding it on. It's all filthy. That's the carburetor. I guess I'll take the bowl off and see what that looks like. I am going to pinch the fuel line because I added fuel to it. I guess we'll see if any fuel got to the carburetor when we open this up. Oh yeah, fuel got to there. I did forget to spray carb cleaner in there. Well, I'm already this far. I'll just see what inside of this looks like before I see the spark, I guess. Oh yeah, that's nasty. So that's gonna need cleaned. Well, there's this hole. I'm gonna clean out that hole. I don't see any further in there. There's gonna be the ones up here, and then I'll clean all that out. And the jet. Can't forget to clean out the jet. This hole's clear. I'm gonna spray through this top hole. Let's see if it sprays out the sides. Yep. Sprays out both sides, so that's clear. That's gonna need cleared. Whoa. Watch your eyes if you're doing that. Whoa. Oh. Well, that got you guys that time. I was far enough back it didn't get me. At least not in the eyes. Alright, let's see. Is that one not gonna fit? No, it'll fit through this one. Maybe not. The next most important one's gonna be down here. I gotta see if this will go all the way up through the top. It goes all the way. Oh, yep. If you can see that going all the way through. Yes, there is another little hole right here as well. I don't know where this hole goes, but looks like it might go into this little hole right here. I need to get a smaller one of these to fit through there. I don't see any jets on top of this one, but it is very dirty. So I'm probably gonna put it all back together, spray off that as best I can, and then go from there. This bowl ring needs replaced. This is probably why it might have been leaking. And I mean, this bowl is just gross. But I'm gonna try and get rid of the best that I can. It's not perfect, but it's still now pretty clean. So we're gonna put all that back together. I gotta get a new gasket for it, and we'll put it all back together, and we'll see if it'll start. Otherwise, we gotta check the spark. I got the new gasket. Alright, I got that on there. I'm gonna let the fuel line go back, and we'll see if it leaks. And then we're also gonna see if it starts. I'm gonna prime it to speed up. Oh, no, I'm not. Primer bulb's down here, so I can't prime it. So I'll have to wait for it to speed up a little bit. I was gonna spray some carb cleaner, but I'm gonna wait on that, I think. I just wanna clean this back off. I just didn't want to get the carb cleaner in the... Yeah, I don't see a jet, so... It might start off the carb cleaner, so I might have to try and start it a couple times. Guess we'll see. Yeah. So there is spark. Something else needs cleaned. I guess I should make sure there's still fuel. Yeah, Let me put some more fuel in there now. I might have to throw the primer back on there. Should be enough fuel just to see if it leaks and if it'll run. I think that was from earlier. It's not leaking, so let's see if it starts. It might need a boost just because I don't have the primer bulb on it. Alright, so now it is running, but I don't know if it'll continue running on just the fuel itself. It might just need the prime bulb on there. I'm going to hook this back up. I'm going to clean it a bit first. Let's try and get rid of some of all that dirt. That way it doesn't end up in the carburetor. Alright, this was 3 5/16. I'm just going to get one hand started. And make sure you get that breather tube back on as well. I am just hand starting all of them to make sure it lines up properly. Alright, now I got the prime bulb on it. I'll prime it. Now we'll see if it starts easier. Alright, I guess that's going to be the end of this video. Just needed the carb cleaned. I am going to grab an air filter for it. And I got to put this cover back on. I'm going to clean that cover out a little bit as well. Probably just clean the whole mower off. Subscribe. I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.